Hey everyone, the 128-bit guys here, and today we will discuss why foldable phones will fail. So first, let's start with the durability issues. So as we know, all the foldable phone screens are made from plastic, which make them scratch and break easily. And they are not water resistant because of the gaps that are made when you fold the phone. And the designs of them are still clunky. So converting your phone into a tablet is the main selling point of the foldables. But how often will people really do that? If you wanted to carry what is essentially a tablet around all the time, you could just buy a tablet. I can safely assume anyone using a foldable phone will use it folded most of the time because it's easier to hold. However, these phones all look like absolute bricks, and there's no reason to expect that will change anytime soon, and app support will never arrive. So before you spend your cash on a foldable phone, you have to first think about why you would want one in the first place. Do you just really need a tablet in your pocket all the time? Don't expect miracles. Android apps didn't work well on tablets, and there is no reason to think it will be any better with foldables. And last but not least, they are priced highly. So phones like Galaxy Fold are priced at about uh, $2,000, and the new Motor Razr is priced at $1,500. They are priced a lot for specs that are just like the phones that we have, and this will not change anytime soon. So this was my opinions on why you shouldn't buy a foldable phone, at least in 2019. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.